Are you looking to visualize hierarchical data and proportions in Power BI? Then Treemap Charts are your perfect tool. In this video, we'll explore 5 scenarios where Treemap Charts truly shine in Power BI reports. Let's dive right in. Anirudh has written this LinkedIn newsletter. If you want to read it, check description. First, Treemap Charts are excellent for analyzing product or category sales performance. You can display how each product or category contributes to total sales. For instance, imagine you're analyzing sales in categories like electronics, apparel, and furniture. Subcategories like mobiles, TVs, shirts, or chairs are represented by proportional box sizes. Larger boxes mean higher sales, while smaller ones indicate lower sales. It's intuitive and efficient. Next, Treemaps are perfect for visualizing regional or geographical data. Whether it's revenue by country, state, or city, Treemaps give you a quick comparison of metrics. For example, a company tracking revenue across continents and countries can use a Treemap to easily identify which regions are top performing and where there's room for growth. Moving on, Treemaps are ideal for showcasing budget allocations or resource distributions. For instance, if you're allocating budgets across departments like marketing, R&D, or operations, a Treemap visually represents the relative size of each allocation. This helps stakeholders understand priorities and focus areas with ease. Fourth, Treemaps are great for identifying key contributors or outliers in your dataset. For example, you can use Treemaps to highlight the top 10 best-selling products or identify low-performing regions. By ranking and sizing elements visually, Treemaps make it easy to spot the areas needing attention. Finally, Treemap Charts are fantastic for visualizing survey responses or customer feedback data. For example, you can categorize responses by service, product quality, and pricing, and then drill down into subcategories like delivery, support, or features. Treemaps provide a clear, hierarchical representation of your data. Here are a few tips to get the most out of your Treemap Charts. Use drill-down features for deeper insights into hierarchical data. Keep labels clear and concise to improve readability. Combine Treemaps with other visuals, like bar or line charts, for added context. By following these tips, you'll make your Treemap Charts more effective and impactful. Treemap Charts are visually appealing, interactive, and powerful tools for uncovering trends in complex datasets. Start using them in your Power BI reports today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Power BI tips. See you in the next video.